paig ka naman. Ah, totoo. Yan man ang sabi ng simbahan. You will burn in hell for all time. Really? O di, cremate ka. Pagdating mo doon, sabi lang, tingin ka sa langit, yung afternoon on a clear day. Saan mo hanapin yung impyerno? Actually, ang impyerno nandito sa lupa. It's only a place called heaven for everybody. You might not go inside there if there is really one, but you'll just float along the line of, di mas maganda. Mamatay ka tapos yung soul mo mag-travel ka sa universe. Bakit may interesado ng langit? Kita mo doon, puro anghel. Hindi mo naman